it's really simple. The one thing to keep in mind is that when you create a new document, a new slides, or a new sheet, it's going to be put into the folder that you're currently looking at. So I'm looking at my drive right now, but if I go into one of my folders, I then will be creating it inside of the folder I'm in. So in this case, the 1819 folder. I'm just going to go back to my drive. When you're here, you'll see there's a new button up at the top left. You click that, and you choose whether you want a doc, sheets, or slides. You can also click the arrow to choose from a template. In this case, I'm just creating a blank document, so I can just click Google Docs. Here, you'll get a blank document where you can type what you want. You can then click right up here at the top to give it a title. So this is just a test document. As soon as you click off of that, it's going to save everything right to Google Drive, and you'll see that I now have a test document in my Google Drive folder. So that's all.